Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we are going to do a Valentine's Day with some dip powder. So I'm taking Fairy Cotton from Double Dip, and it is this sweet little pink. Like literally, like when I look at this color, I'm like, oh, that's so sweet. Anyone else feel that way? Yeah, so we are going to do that. As you guys know, I am a gel girl. They do have a gel line that they carry. All right, so I already have a gel layer on. If you've been with me, you guys know this. I just like to have a hard gel underneath when doing my nails. So I'm just applying this super thin. I am not curing here. And I'm going to dip this in here because I think with this being so fine, we will be okay. Okay, give it a second. And I am actually gonna go ahead and cure this. All right, we are going to repeat that process. So just applying a nice thin layer. The great thing about gel is you do not need a thick layer, and a lot of times, not every time, you just need one layer of the gel when you go into dip, because it is just, it's so nice and pigmented. Coming in with the middle finger, and I'm really excited to do this leopard cheetah print. I absolutely love it for Valentine's Day. It's just something so stinking sweet, but still powerful. Like, yeah, I'm still a baddie. I'm not gonna lie, that kind of gave me a soft ombre. You're not gonna be able to see it, but it did, and it looks kind of cool. With having my nails already prepped and having a thin layer of gel on, coming in and doing the dip powder is literally the easiest thing ever. I almost feel guilty because I'm like, these videos kind of go fast. It's probably because I essentially did all the hard work ahead of time. Like, I'm literally looking at the recording clock. It is 3 minutes and 45 seconds. We're probably like a minute and a half in to editing video part. Like, that's just how quick it goes with gel. Like, once you have gel in your nails, this is literally the easiest thing ever. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a very, very thin layer of that base because I'm only going to do one coat. And this is going to allow me to add that foil. And then we can go in right with the paint. All right, so I'm just grabbing just loose gold leaf foil. Again, super thin layer.
I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, cause you got me holding.
All right, so I applied that matte top coat, and now we're going to take some gel paint. All right, so I have this super tiny brush here, and I'm going to make little dashes that we're gonna kind of turn into hearts. Nothing too crazy. I don't have that much on my brush. And obviously this is going to be loose, since we are not trying to make it all uniform. Alright, so we went ahead and did fairy cotton in matte, and then we did that gel paint on top. That is glossy, and I love me a good matte with a glossy top, and adds just like an extra dimension. And then the matte gold, yes, totally feeling it. And I do have a discount code with double dip. I will link it below. It is Vanessa20. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.